Hi guys, review and trades for today, January 21st. Today I had a not so good trading day on my day trade account. I did mm, two big bad plays. No, three bad plays, two on Meta and one on Tesla. That made me negative net minus 3.1k today. However, on my swing trade account, I managed to recuperate that loss. So all in all, neutral day. So if we start with Amazon, um, today Amazon gapped up and just like the market looks like it wanted to go higher, seems like it waited in the moving average before going higher. So on Amazon, I did puts at first. Let's see here on five. First, I did puts over here as it took out this green bar and this initial green bar going lower into the 5 minute. Then I did puts right here uh, for a small gain. It had broken the 5 minute, pivoted below, taken out this green bar. Uh, I got out for a small profit right here because I didn't want to stay in it too long. Let's see here. Then we were in Meta. I traded Meta both long and short today. And the problem with Meta is that it's an inside day, so I have been whipped out a lot. For the first long, I was over here, thinking that it had broken the VWAP and gonna go higher into this pivot right here. However, it didn't, so it came down and stopped me out. The second was right here as it took out the red bar. I was thinking that it was gonna go up all the way and break higher. However, I traded this below the VWAP, so this was a bad play. I also did meta puts. Um, let's see, I did meta puts right here. As you see, the green bar was taken out and it looked like one go lower. This one worked out. I also did it right here as it took out this one and it was trading below both moving averages, just a small bit down there. I tried to do Microsoft both long and short. Uh, for the long play, for the short play, I was doing this right here. It had taken out this green bar trading below the 5 minute. I was thinking it was going to go down, take out um, over here. So I got in and I got out for a small gain right here for 33 cents. Then again, I did puts right here twice. Once as it came and closed below, and I got out for a small gain. And then once again over here. However, I had to get out because it didn't commit. I'm thinking that the problem is the 65-minute moving average and the daily moving average right here below, saying that it wants to go higher. So I need to be careful about that in the future. I tried to do QCOM. QCOM was a call play, and both of them failed. First call play was right here as it took out this red bar. I got in, it immediately went red. I was actually planning to have my stop right here. However, I got out a little bit early because I didn't trust it that much. And as it came back up again, I did it again. However, now I had 5 minute and the VWAP as a stop, and as I took it out, I was flung out again. I don't much think that it was a bad play. It had taken out all the pivots and wanted to go higher. However, it needed a bit of rest before going higher. Lastly, I did Tesla, and the Tesla put call was basically this failed buy setup right here. I got in right here, as it took out the VWAP and had gone higher, then tried to go lower. However, when it came up and took this out, I was lower. I had to get out for a loss. I think that the thought was right. You see the 15-minute was coming in. However, if you see on the daily, it had done ATR and was into the moving average right here. My thought process was that it's a failed buy setup going higher, and now it was going to go lower. However, it didn't, and it didn't go much higher either, as with the market that just went up today. On my swing trade side, I got out of two plays and I got into two plays. The first one was XPEP. I actually think that XPEP goes higher, but I got in right here as it had broken this line, and when it gapped up, I got out for good profit. And then also BA. I got into BA over here as it took out this trend line, and today it gapped up and went higher. I got out for a little bit right here and a little bit right here. So that was a good play. I'm currently in Apple put calls. My thought process is that it's been going down a lot and now it's into the daily 200 and also the monthly moving average. So I think that this is a good place, which you also see some support right here. I think this is a good play to come back up. Not too much, maybe to gap fill. Currently about break even on those. Then I got into TRGP. This is a short play. As you see right here on the daily, it is multiple green bars. And today it looked like it was going to break the 65-minute. However, it didn't. Instead, it's going higher. So now I'm in this and we'll hope that this doesn't just keep going like the other, but pull back to the moving averages right here. I don't think that this is a bad play necessarily. It's quite up, quite extended, and the monthly as well kind of extended. However, it kind of corrected it here as well. So hopefully this doesn't keep going so much higher and it instead pivots and goes lower. My initial thought was that I was just going to go to 210 down here, and we'll see this tomorrow if it gaps down or whatever I will do. I'm still in JetBlue. This is a daily play. You see the monthly is looking higher. The weekly was also looking higher with this as support. I was thinking now that it had broken everything, I might have taken up all here. Seems like it did a double top right here before going lower. So hopefully it bounces here by the trend line and goes higher. Yeah, my stop is right here. So those were my trades for today. All in all, I think in total, few $100 minus, and still got some unclosed trades right